Assalamu alaikum 6th class. I hope that you all will be good. Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic from grammar skill, that is present participles. Okay, before starting our main topic, we have to revise our previous lecture. As you know that in the last class we have done the reading of green force. Along this we have done the words meaning and question answer of that chapter. Okay, here are some questions are given related to green force that we will revise here. Okay, first question is, what is reef? It's mean rock just below or above the sea surface. Okay, second question, what is the meaning of fragile? It's mean delicate. Okay, third question, what do the research teams of green force do worldwide? The answer is, the research teams of green force are trying to protect endangered wildlife. Okay, next question, what is the meaning of sustain? It's mean hold up. Okay, last question, what is coral? It's mean stone like red and white substance found underwater in the sea. Okay students, now let's start the main topic, that is present participles used as gerunds. Okay, it is given on page number 34 from grammar skill. Okay, present participles, verbs that end with ing, can be used as nouns. They are called gerunds or verbal nouns. Okay, for example, skipping is good exercise. Okay, and present participle can also be used as adjective. For example, he sat at the dining table. Okay, here are some examples. The verbs are given here that we have to change into present participles. Like first one is to run, and we have changed it according to the present participle, like it's running water. Okay, first we have to write verb, then we will add ing. Okay, second one to flourish, and we have changed it like flourishing business. Last one to discourage, discouraging glance. Okay, now I will tell you the definition of present participle. A present participle is a word that ends with ing. Okay, and it is formed from a verb, and it is used as an adjective or for verb tense. Okay, for example, the fleeing criminal. Okay, here you can see that present participle is used as adjective. Okay, and the next example is, he was waving his cutlass, and here you can see that waving is used as verb tense. Okay students, now let's start the practice. This exercise is given on page number 34 from grammar skill, and we have to solve it like, first the question is, read this introduction from a report, circle the present participles. Verb plus ing. Okay, means that we have to circle present participle here, verbs plus ing that are used as adjective. Okay, and second thing that we have to do, underline the present participles that are used as gerunds. Okay, the world of living things can be grouped according to the similarities and differences. Here you can see that living is used as present participle. Okay, animal scientists do this by studying how members of the animal kingdom are like. Here you can see that studying is used as present participle. Okay, this is not always an easy task. Even within the same group of animals, there may be surprising differences. Here you can see that surprising, it is used as adjective. Okay, therefore we have underlined it. Now students, remaining sentences you will complete. How you will complete? You will underline word and circle words you will write on loose sheet, okay, and you will share it to me, okay. Now let's start the practice. This exercise is given on page number 35 from grammar skill. We have to complete this exercise according to the gerunds, okay, means verb plus ing, okay. First sentence is, in many countries cycling can provide an economical way of moving around. Next one, surfing is exciting, especially if you catch a big wave. Next one, Linda is talented in painting and has received awards in many art competitions. Next one, my friend's hobby is baking, so she is going to make a big cake for my birthday. Next one, he was accused of cheating in the examination. Next one, hiking is centers on mountain trails. Next one, skipping is easy but only if your rope is of the correct length. Okay, sentence number 8, racing is a dangerous sport. Okay, dear students, remaining sentences you have to complete and you will complete it with proper gerunds, okay. Now let's start the review of the lecture. Here you can see that a worksheet is given to you. You have to change it, like verb is given and you have to change it according to the gerunds. Like first one is to drink and we have changed it drinking. To eat, it will be eating. To pass, it will be passing. To take, it will be taking. To paint, painting. To point, pointing. Okay, now dear students, I will assign you the home task. You have to learn all the exercises and definitions that are given in this slide, okay. And now dear students, today I will give you a creative task that you will see the picture and you will observe, okay, and you will write a story on this picture, okay, but it must be in your own words, okay, must write neatly, okay students. If you have any query, any question, you can ask in comment section of Google Classroom. Have a nice day, take care of yourself and goodbye.